5 best way to insert table in MS Word. First way is go to insert table and insert table. Here you can insert column and rows according to your wish. Let we select column 6 and rows 5. Press OK. Table will appear simply. You can add more rows by pressing tab key. Now the second way is just go on table insert, and here small blocks will appear. Here you select columns and rows. Just by click, table will appear. More rows will be added by pressing tab. Third way to insert table in MS Word is go to insert table and draw a table. A pencil will appear. By selecting the area in which you can draw a table, draw columns according to your wish and rows. The simple way. Fourth is the best way to insert table in MS Word. It is Excel spreadsheet will appear in MS Word. Click on insert table in Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet will appear. Here you can select the area in which you can draw table and all borders. After adjusting the table sides and width, just click outside and table will appear. Here you can also use formula in MS Excel of multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition. Just click outside and table will appear. The fifth way to draw a table is very simplest way and easy way, by plus and minus sign. Plus shows the column line and minus shows the column width. Just press enter and table will appear. More rows can be added by pressing tab key or plus sign. Here, plus sign, more rows will be added. These are the 5 best way to insert tables in MS Word. Here if you want to delete any line in table, it is very easier way to delete a line in table. First we draw a table by plus and minus sign. Go to layout and eraser. By eraser, just click on the line and line will disappear or erase.